Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to another exciting lesson of our textbook. I am glad to be here with you today. Now let's get started. My goal today is to help you understand what media is and how it has affected our lives and will go on affecting us. Media, so you see media, the plural of medium, media is singular, the plural of medium, the ways or means of receiving information and entertainment. This is usually used as singular, that is we say the media is very powerful now. Come to the title of the lesson. What is the title of lesson? The title of lesson is Media and its Impact. As you see, the lesson name is Media and its Impact. The title of the lesson is the Media and its Impact. It means the role of media and its effect and influences on the people or society or the world. Media is a way of receiving information. The mass media includes films, radio, TV, newspaper, magazine and the internet. Media plays a significant role in our lives. It is not only confined to informing us about the world's happening and serving a mean to contact with people, but also affects our thinking pattern. There is no such aspect of our life which is not touched and affected by media, whether it is work, whether it is or education, relationship, business or health. Media is seen everywhere. It has affected our lives deeply and effectively. Now come to the theme of the lesson. The theme of the lesson is to highlight the role and impact of media. The media has changed the pattern of people's life. The people have started living differently. As media shows, they go on changing and molding their lifestyle. The way we think and perceive various issues is also shaped by media. This lesson tells that media can mold the opinion and mindset, the thinking of the people. It has a deep impact on the lives of people. Media has turned the world into a global village. Moving forward, we have some pictures regarding the background of the lesson. Here you see a lady or a teacher is shown in both the pictures. So the lesson has a background of a conversation between the teacher and 5 students on media and their effects on the people or society or the world. The students are in a group discussion about media. So you see that today everyone, especially the youth, is growing so aware about its responsibilities towards society. That is because of media. The people are more helpful or they are more advanced or educated. All this is because of media and its effects. It helps in spreading awareness about human rights and duties. Moving forward, now students come to the content of the lesson. We shall read the text. It is in a dialogue form, face-to-face conversation. Really, you all would enjoy. Miss Aisha is the favorite teacher of class 9. The students eagerly attend her class. Miss Aisha enters the classroom with her usual smile, greets the student and takes the roll call. It is their tutorial day. The students are all geared up. They know what is about to come and they are prepared for it. Shall we start? She asks politely. Yes, the students nod. Teacher, okay, as we have decided earlier, the topic for today's discussion is the role of media and its impact. To start with, let me state clearly that media is the most powerful mode of communication. It shares news and information with the people. Sometimes media spread false news, but generally it informs us about the facts around us. Do you agree? The teacher asked the students that, do you agree that media is spreading positive as well as negative news? Come to the difficult words of the lesson. Anxiously, eagerly, greets, welcome, tutorial, special class for guidance, geared up, ready, note, movement of head in agreement that they are agreed, they are satisfied with whatever their teachers say, impact, effect or influence. So let's have a short review of the above lines. As you see that Miss Aisha is the English teacher. She is very popular with the students. The students were eagerly waiting for her. The students are sitting in a class waiting for her. She enters the class with a smile and takes the roll call. So you see that it is their tutorial or the discussion day for the students. She tells them that the topic for discussion for that day is role of media and its impact. Miss Aisha explains in class that the media is the most powerful mode of communication. It provides news and information. Sometimes it spreads false news and information. In short, media provides us latest news and information about the negative and positive realities of society around us. Here, Miss Aisha makes the students clear that media is affecting our life as well as it is spreading news as well as false news, the positive as well as the negative aspect of the society, whatever is happening in our society. Moving forward, the students, yes we do, the students are also agreed with whatever their teachers say, that media is playing their positive as well as negative part. Student 1, I would like to add a bit more to it, teacher. Yes, sure. Student 1, media helps people to share knowledge of the world, whatever is happening across the world. The media is helping to share knowledge with the help of internet, TV and radio. Their feelings and opinions are expressed through it. Their feelings, whatever the people are thinking, whatever they have in their mind, it is expressed, it is shown through media. Media attracts the attention of a very large audience. Have you noticed that the first thing we do soon after entering the house is to switch on the television? Teacher, there is no doubt about it. Student 2, let me say that media has become a part of our life. It not only informs us but also entertains us. So let's have a review of difficult words. Mode means way or means of getting information. Communication, the act of conveying information and entertainment. Informs, tells about, a bit, a little. Opinion, ideas and beliefs expressed, put forward, uttered. Audience, the people addressed to call someone or give attention. Entertains, delights. So here you see that the students are also agreed with the teacher's explanation. One student said that media gives knowledge of the world to the people. It expresses the feelings and opinions of the world, so they like it very much. Another student also agrees with the teacher and says that media has become a part of the lives of the people. It informs them and also entertains them. It not only informs them, but there are some programs which are shown on TV that are helpful in getting entertainment and happiness. Moving forward, absolutely, teacher, absolutely right. Well, do you have any idea about the two major means of communication? Here the teacher points out that there are two means of communication. Student 3 add there are two means of communication. It means that the students are already aware of the two means of communication: electronic media and print media. Electronic media and print media. The media includes film, radio, television, internet, books, magazine and newspaper. It provides us information as well as entertainment. Teacher, good. It's through media that the world has become a global village. There is coverage of all the important events of the world on television. We can have an easy access to all kinds of information through media. Student 4, can we say that the world is just a click away? Here some of the words which are unknown to you. First have a review of these words. Absolutely, perfectly, completely, utterly. Global village, shrinkage of the world to a small village, means that the world has come closer to each other. Coverage, reporting in the media, assess, approach or reach. A click away means very close. So you see that here we are introduced with the two major means of communication. The students already know that there are two means of medium of communication: electronic media and print media, and how they are going to affect our life. That they are not only providing us information, they are also a source of entertainment. And the teacher also adds to something about media. The third student say in reply to Miss Aicha's question that there are two means of communication. The first one is film, radio, television, internet are a part of electronic media because all these work through the flow of electronic currents. Books, magazine and newspaper are part of the print media because these contains printed material and they connect us with the world through the printed and published material. The media provides us information as well as entertainment. The teacher says that the world has become a global or universal village through the media. It means that all countries have come closer to each other. All countries are interconnected through radio, TV, internet, magazines and telephone. We can get every type of information from it. The world has come close, very close to us. As soon as we switch on our TV or computer, the whole world opens before us. TV and computer have brought the whole world within our reach. We can visit any country or any part of the world with the help of media within seconds. Moving forward, maybe well, would any other student like to say on it? Miss Aisha points to the student sitting at the end. Miss Aisha is asking some other student about media. Student 5, madam, in my opinion, media plays a very constructive role for the society. It raises awareness about many social issues like corruption, terrorism, drug addiction and violation of human rights. Teacher, yes, you are right. So here you see that the positive aspect of media is also shown. The students know that media is informing about many other aspects of the society. Student 6, media has also become a mouthpiece of the downtrodden. Teacher, yes, well said. It would not be wrong to say that media is the most vigilant institution that keeps an eye on every segment of the society. Through debates, reports and talk shows, it makes everyone answerable and accountable. That is why media has become an integral part of our lives. So you said, see that media is such a forum which is constantly watching the world. It is constantly watching the world, that whatever is happening in our surrounding, the media brought it into the connection, into the lives of the people, and it has made most of the people a part of the society. So you see that corruption means dishonesty. Terrorism, illegal use of force against people and government. Addiction means taking of drug as a habit. Drug addiction means, you can say, violation, acting against a law or regular practice. Mouthpiece, spokesperson, representative, the downtrodden, mistreated or cruelly treated people. So here some explanation that you need to have. I will explain that. Here you see that the students says that she thinks that the media plays constructive role. It makes the people understand social problem. What are the social problems? The problems that are occurring in our society. These problems can be corruption. Corruption means, you can say, the illegal ways of getting money, or you can say fraud. Terrorism, illegal use of force against people and government. Drug addiction, taking of drug as a habit. Violation of human rights, to break rules or act against the rights of people. It has become the representative of the cruelly treated people. You see that media brought these people, cruelly treated people, on television or internet, and they were also it also keeps us alert about the problems of every part of society, and in most of the talk shows and debates they were solved or they were discussed. It makes everyone answerable through debates, reports and talk shows. Now media is a necessary part of our life. Integral mean necessary, the most important part of our lives. Moving forward here. Teacher, now I would invite one of you to sum up the discussion. Here the last part of the discussion or the conversation is here. Student 1, I would conclude the discussion by saying that media can play a positive role and has a corrective impact if it works honestly. Teacher, good conclusion. I am happy that all of you have participated in this discussion and have expressed yourself very well. The bell rings. Miss Aisha says goodbyes to the class and leaves. So here the end or the conclusion of the lesson is given, that their discussion is concluded at the end of the lesson. Accountable, required to explain, sum up, tell the main points of discussion, conversation in question, answer form, corrective that can correct wrongs, impact, strong effect, participated, taken part in. So you see that one of the students say that if the media is honest, it can do much positive work. It can have corrective effects on all. The teacher is happy at the end of the discussion. She says that all the students have taken part in this discussion and given their ideas very well. So you see that in short we can say, in short, media is the most important part of our lives. It shares news and information with the audience. Even though media is accused of spreading false news, yet on the other hand it informs us about the realities around us. As you see that coronavirus has infected lives of thousands of people in Pakistan. We are informed through media that how can we keep ourselves safe from this virus. It is through media that we came to know. Stay home, stay safe. In the end, I hope that all of you have understood this lesson and will keep yourself safe at home.